Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about top Windows 11 apps you need to install from Microsoft Store. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't miss anything. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, let's go to the Microsoft Store. And the first app that you need to install is Opera GX. This is the app that you need to install. It is a special version of the Opera browser designed specifically for gamers, and it includes many features that help to optimize your gaming experience while browsing the web. And the second one is Clipchamp. This is the app that you need to install because it is an online video editing tool that allows you to create, edit, and share videos easily. It offers a user friendly interface with features like trimming, cutting, adding text, and applying filters. It is very easy to use, and if you are beginners in the video editing, then you can use it. And the third one is Canva. This is the app that you need to install it in your computer because it is a graphic design platform where you can create visuals such as presentations, social media graphics, posters, and many more. You can also create thumbnails for your YouTube channel or anything that you want to create, and it can give life to your creativity. So you can use this app to design your image, text, and other elements. And the fourth one is Dropbox. Here you can see there are two applications that says Dropbox and Dropbox Lite. I'll recommend you to install Dropbox Lite because it has higher rating than Dropbox. And if you are wondering what is Dropbox, then it is a cloud storage service that allows you to store and share files online. You can see it as an alternative of Google Drive also. And the last one is Grammarly. This is the app that you need to install. Grammarly is a writing assistant, or you can say AI, that helps you improve your writing by checking for grammar, spelling, punctuations, and style errors. So, using this, it will be very helpful to do your work. So, my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another video like this. Thanks for watching.